Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devin Pratama Salam. There is my name, there is my class, there is my major. So this time I will present you my presentation about hardware, software, and operating system. What is software and operating system? Software and operating system. This is the background software that helps the computer hardware run smoothly and communicate with your apps. You really interact with it directly, but the computer cannot function without it. So the software and operating system is the system that runs in your background computer or your handphone to make it smoothly and clean. So next we have the example of operating system. This is the most popular operating system that we already know as like Windows, Android, Linux, Mac OS or iOS. There's very many version of theirs, but we don't talk about it. So next, there's there's an example of application software. So we have for web browser we got Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge. For productivity tools, we got Microsoft Word, Excel or Notion. For entertainment, we got Spotify, Photoshop, and Netflix. There are so many applications that we use in our live section. So next, here hardware. So what is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical, tangible component of a computer system that can actually see and touch. If software is the mind of the computer, hardware is the body. It includes everything from the heavy metal case sitting under a desk to the microscopic circuit hidden inside a smartphone. Next, this is an example of hardware component like central processing unit or CPU. Central processing unit is the primary component of a computer that acts as its brain. It is a small, powerful silicon chip located on the motherboard that is responsible for executing instruction, performing calculation, and managing the flow of data across the entire computer system. Next, memory or RAM and storage. So the memory things is like when you open an application, load a website or launch a game. So the computer processor CPU pull your data from your slower long-term storage and temporarily place it into the ultra-fast RAM. Because RAM operate incredible speed, CPU and read and write to it almost instantly, making your device feel smooth and snappy. So this is when you get give some comment to the memory. It will be executing by the CPU. Maybe like that. I don't really know about it. Let's just next. Here we got input and output device. The input device is an out an input device is a piece of hardware that sends data instruction or command into the computer. It allows you to interact with it with and control the machine without input device. A computer Without without an input device, a computer would be a closed box that you could give order to. Next, output device. An output device is any piece of hardware that retrieves or processes data from the computer and presents, project, or play it back to you in a way you can see, hear, or feel it. Translates the computer digital language into something human can easily understand. The input device is to give a command, so the output device is to project the command. Okay. Next is the example of input output device. The input device is like keyboard, mouse or trackpad, microphone, webcam, touchscreen, or scanner. Output device is a monitor, speaker, printer, projector, or headset. Input device is like what I said, is to give a command to output device. So the output device is so the output device can project it. So we as a human or a brain what? I don't know, brainstorm can see it, what it project for it, so we can understand what the comment says. Okay, so next is the conclusion. If a computer system were a human being, hardware would be the physical body and software or operating system would be the mind, intelligence, and personality. If a computer system were a human being, hardware would be the physical body, and a software or operating system would be the mind, intelligence, and personality. Without hardware, software is just abstract code with no physical reality to manifest its instruction. Without software, hardware is just an expensive, lifeless collection of metal, plastic, and silicon. That's all I got. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.